One of my last jobs in the garage area is to make some back panels for the side cabinets here. It'll be a place for the outdoor shower, some outlets on this side, and a cooling fan for the electrical cabinet. So, got some birch ply over here. Would be real simple, except this is an odd shape on the back side of this wall. So it's going to be just some trial and error with a piece of cardboard to get the shape, and then go from there and transfer it to some plywood and get started. We got the left side painted with a coat of polyacrylic water-based polyurethane, and that is over some carbon gray varathane wood stain. I really like the look. It's streaked right now, but it flattens out really nicely. It's matte. I'll probably do 2 coats of that while I'm working on the other side here. And the other side is going to get a 180 millimeter case fan for some airflow. It's going to be hooked to a thermostatic switch. Don't know what temperature I'll set it at immediately, but down the road we'll do some testing and see what works. So I'll be doing a hole saw, cut a hole for that guy, and then I've got a cover that goes over the hole on the outside for that board. So that's going to mount up here, and then I've got a single gang outlet going below that and a black USB outlet, 120 volt and USB outlet that's going to mount below that. I don't know what I'm going to mount below it yet. Might hang an extension cord. I may do more sockets. I don't know. So just kind of leave it open for future expansion. I do have the batteries down at the bottom, so I'm not really looking to fill this real estate. This is my Marine Romex ready to go into the 120 volt when I get it cut. And then we'll be staining this one and getting it ready for the water-based poly as well. Let's get started. Now that I've got the back of the cabinets done, the next job is to put some L-track in. I'm going to install about 12 inches of it at the bottom of the cabinets because I've reinforced that portion. And then each one of the sections is going to have a movable tie down. So those four corners, it'll just allow me to tie down any load. Just enough to keep it from moving around. I cut about 12-inch lengths off the end of each of these and go from there. We got the L-track installed. We've got end caps board on the way. But this will allow me to have tie down points that are adjustable for the bottom foot of the garage at all four corners. I could have added more and I could have gone all the way to the top of the garage area, but I really reinforced the back of the cabinet for the lower portion. Especially back here, it's bolted to the cabinet in front of it. So there's really no reason to have anything up high. This will hold bicycles or boxes or anything, just keep it from sliding around the garage. Eventually I'll be putting some high density rubber 1/4-inch mat and cut it to the exact shape of the garage floor here to protect the lawn seal. But getting close on the garage. Got some motion lights I've installed as well. Go over those in a later video, but they're working really well. Next up is the door, which will have a slam latch, a boat slam latch, and just kind of follow the shaker theme of the rest of the cabinets.